design actually came from Juliet Sargeant, the garden designer, and she'd made these kind of shapes because they were to resemble cracked clay.
Oh, okay.
And that shape is picked up on the tiles as you come in as well. So that was her original idea, was to make these beds with these unusual angles. And then also, because learning music quite a lot, we had to work around how we fit a class of children in here. So one of them is what I call a keyhole bed,
Right.
which means you can fit children around it, so the teacher can stand in the middle and talk about whatever's in there. So that was part of the design as well.
All right. So it's not just random at all.
It's not
the slides.
random at all, and it had to fit into this space and yet allow.
Caroline.
Sorry.
A few moments later.
And then they also had to fit into this space and allow access around, because we're a very busy open space. There were sort of three constraints: the original design, making them more usable for school groups, but also we need access. So we couldn't random put. So there was a lot of jiggling about with the space. They had to fit in the space.
And was it complex at all to cut the angles?
I didn't do them. I did the drawing and handed it to our builder, who I think they spend half a day just practicing with it. They used a chop saw,
Right.
which they had a designated blade for. I could find out which blade they used, and they spent a bit of time just cutting up scrap bits, and then they went, "Yeah, we can do this."
Great.
So
Okay, cool. Well, it looks pretty impressive, and it's been in now, what, for 3 years?
coming up, 3 years, yeah.
Something like that. So,
And they are, I mean, they're going to be here. The beauty of them is I don't need to do any maintenance to them. I don't need to look after them. They'll be here forever. Plants grow really well in them. I think having the black plastic around seems to help the plants. They also don't seem to lose water quite as much at the moment, because we're in a dry period. That I seem to not need to water them as frequently as I would if it was timber. I think the gaps between the timber would be slightly bigger. We're probably losing more water.
and the timber's absorbent as well, to a certain. Yeah. Right. Brilliant. Well, thank you very much, Caroline. They look amazing.
We are very happy with them. And also, there's no splinters off these either. So if we've got a school group in, we don't have, people can sit on them, and we don't have to worry about
Don't have to think about it.
Bonus.
Right, brilliant. Okay, thank you very much. I shall let you get back to your busy life.
Yeah.